Hello, Davita here. Welcome back to Abstract and Flow. So today, I wanted to talk to you about the video that I did using satin enamels in my base coat. I believe that's video number 52. So this is the dried picture. It did not change much after the video. So the base coat was created using satin enamels. That's DecoArt's Americana satin enamels. So I wanted to try it again because the recipe that Sara Taylor listed, I had to, and I followed it to a T, but I had to tweak it a little bit to do what I wanted it to do. And sometimes you have to do that. You have to experiment, even if you use a preset recipe. So let me show you what I did. I got some bathroom tiles, and these are what I normally use when I do my balloons. And let's see if I can show you without too much of a glare. So using that recipe on the base coat and using DecoArt's matte metallics, and this is gold. Yeah, a gold. I know it's backwards, but I'm sure you are familiar with this little jug. This paint, this metallic paint, did not work, did not produce the cells that I wanted it to produce. As you can see from my little practice that I did here. Now, I said to myself, what if I put a color in the base coat? How would that work? Well, let me show you. Another practice tile. I put Artist Loft light blue in my base coat instead of using, no, actually I did use a white paint, and then I added a little bit of the blue to give it this blue color, and I did the another blue to get the effects of the satin enamel. So that really turned out really nice, as you can see. So I said to myself, let's try that on a bigger scale. And let me show you what we were able to produce. Okay, here it is. This was a couple of days ago, so it's dried. And I'm going to show you the video of me doing this particular piece. So I'm going to put the recipe that I used in the description box, along with the recipe for the blue base using Artist Loft light blue. And really it was about 0.5, 0.7 ounces added to my already preformed mixture. So enjoy that little video and I'll be back. Wasn't that just, oh my God, that was just out of this world. I really enjoy doing this particular technique because you saw those sales pop up like that. That's when you know you have the right consistency and the right measurement of each ingredient. When I measure for this particular project, use my scale. I always measure in ounces. Sometimes I eyeball it, but I just wanted it to be precise for this one. I do my practice tiles or canvases, however you want to do it, and just have fun with it. If you have any questions, post them down in the comments section. My recipe and what I use, the paints, will be in the description box. I think that's it. I'm going to try using different variations of this pour. So I hope you don't get sick of me. But, so stay tuned. And as usual, stay blessed, stay safe. See you next pour. Bye.